Yes, nobody else is here. I'm at Clearwater Beach with my friend, and I'm gonna take some alone time to do a trek. She told me to go somewhere over there and see the beautiful view. Let's go there. Can you see that? I don't know what that is, but it's pretty. I was told it's a crane in its natural habitat.
That's where it landed.
It's a crane. They told me it's a crane. It's my first time seeing one this close. Bye, crane. Enjoy your beach time. I said I'll be out for just 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not sure if I can make good on that promise. I have too many stops. This is another beach. I'm not sure if they're named separately or differently because there are so many beaches here, but the whole thing is like called Clearwater Beach for some reason. I don't know. This video will never do this place justice. Clearwater Beach is definitely now my favorite beach in Bermuda. So it has surpassed Horseshoe Bay. So if you visit Bermuda, I know that Horseshoe Bay is the one that's most accessible, but you can come here. There are actually bus stops that I saw on the way here, but you got here through a car. But definitely not impossible to go here even if you do not have a car. I will follow this road and let's see what I will see there. I'm shining, shimmering, splendid because I put on sunscreen. I usually don't put on sunscreen, but I've been in the sun for like more than an hour, maybe 2 hours. So I don't know how much tanner I will get later, tomorrow. It will show because I didn't have a sunscreen for the first 2 hours. Okay, thought I'd be going that way, but there is also a road here. I think I should go here. Thing is, there's stairs. Oh no, I think I have to get up through those stairs. But I'm excited to see the view from up there. Actually, even just from here, the view is amazing. Later, I'll go down from here. This is interesting because there is a tunnel here. Look at that. It's not a long one. Let's get up. And these guys is the beach. It's actually a bit hidden. At least more hidden than this beach where most people go. You have many beach options. Well, I don't need to tell you that it's named Clearwater because the water is clear. Just look how clear it is. Just when I thought that I wouldn't be able to vlog, here I am vlogging. Let's walk further. Don't worry about me. There are no venomous snakes in Bermuda. They didn't say that there are no snakes, but at least there are no venomous snakes. If that's any consolation. They can't be seen in the video, but there are so many flying whatever here. They're so small and in their natural habitat. These flowers are everywhere. in this place. I haven't seen them elsewhere in the island. Oh, I heard something moving. Should I be afraid? This is mind-blowing. It's blowing my mind. This view. Definitely this video is not doing it any justice. Look at it. This is like the best place I've ever been to in the island. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds of footage where I'm not talking because it deserves that kind of footage. I'm just too annoying, so I'm just gonna give you like 10 seconds with no talk from me. I feel so honored to have been given this opportunity to witness such a beauty. I will definitely go back here. It's just the perfect weather today, so I hope I get a chance to come here in a nice weather as well. I shut up while I took those clips because the view deserves silence and no annoying voice from me. Imagine having two options on this side and more options beyond. This is what Bermuda offers. I took the long way earlier from the back. Now I'm taking this way, going back to our secret beach. Which is not really a secret because there are other people here, just fewer than the other beaches because this beach is more secluded. I see more people now, so I'm glad that we went here early because at the time when we got here, we were the only ones here. But of course, we don't want to be greedy and take it all in just for ourselves. This is a public beach after all, and we want more people to love Bermuda. I'll say goodbye now because I might not get a chance later. Goodbye, Clearwater. See you again.